My name is Gloria Bowman, and
I'm Phil Bowman.
we're from Donnelly, Idaho, in the western mountains of Idaho.
My professional life was spent mostly in marketing. I'm running marketing departments for lots of really interesting companies, and I really enjoyed that.
And my professional life was most active before we were married. I interior design. I worked for a commercial designer, and then fell back once we were married. I helped with the family real estate company. So we've always been very, very busy with moving, with family, with relocating and moving again. So COVID gave us an opportunity to really expand on some of our habits. And the one I dragged Phil into was becoming a beekeeper. And we learned lots of things and have wonderful memories, tasted a little bit of our honey, but it was fun. How about you?
She's a great beekeeper, and keeping bees alive in 10 feet of snow is not an easy thing. During COVID, I learned how to be a little bit of a gardener and developed some self-wicking water planting beds to grow our tomatoes in. So we became agrarian farmers, evidently. I think one of the things is resilience, but also the ability to listen to the Spirit and to learn the language of the Spirit, as we learned on Sunday last week, that if you can learn the language of the Spirit, it will guide you in your life for your entire life.
And I think on a practical level, which I was expecting you to do, I think that one of the qualities that I think the students can develop is to stand up for who they are, to develop their skills. And education is always great, but to stand up for who they are, and the world admires someone with morals.
We have been so amazed by the quality and integrity and how beautiful and wonderful these students are. They're so talented, and the world really needs them.
There are lots of things that weren't around when we were young.
Yeah, they don't drive buggies anymore, do they? Or horses.
I think the biggest thing is all of the communications and information systems, which has opened up a whole avenue of new job opportunities and a different way of thinking.
Right. People, we never would have thought of working remotely, and now people can work remotely and have a wonderful life. And I think the second thing I would think of is artificial intelligence. It is just remarkable how our world is going to change, and these young students are right at the intersection of that change. And if they embrace that, they will be leading the change rather than hiding from the change. Oh, I think if somebody wants to make a real difference and make a difference in the world, I think no one is better equipped to do that than these wonderful students, especially with the information and the experiences and having here. And what I would say is just get out there and do it. You're so bright and so talented. Get out there and participate and help the world.
I think that knowing the scope of the cultures in the world, the more experience you get with learning of other cultures and realizing that we're all the same. We all have the light of Christ. We all desire to be happy, to eat good food, and to have fun. And the more that happens, the more you love and appreciate everybody.